Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm making a tutorial on how to fix your closures on your wig cap. Yes, this tutorial is all about people or my stylists that want to learn how to fix their closures or frontals on a wig cap in order to braid a hair or make a wig. So this tutorial is simple. In this video I'm using this 5x5 closure and the wig cap. I've already placed the wig cap on the dummy head, so now I just had to take the closure, place it on the wig cap. In this part you have to place it very well in such a way that everything will be equal, and you also need your pin to staple it down in order for it to be smooth. So at this point I'm using a needle and a thread to surround the closure. You have to sew it smoothly. Don't forget to use your pin to staple it down. If not, after sewing it, it won't be smooth. So now I'm done sewing it round. The next thing you have to do is to cut off the lace. The lace, which is the wig cap lace, you have to cut it off just exactly as I'm doing in this video. This part you have to be careful. If you are not yet used to the cutting off, like if you're not yet used to it, then I would advise you place it on the dummy head. Use a pin to hold it firmly in order to cut it out carefully so that you will not cut out the closure parts. So at this point I'm done. This is very simple and it is easy as long as you are able to place the closure smoothly. So at this point you just have to pat out. You have to pat out the lines. Let's say you want a baby hair, you have to pat it out. This is for my stylists that want to use this closure for braided wig. For this one, I'm just using this particular one for a braided wig, which I will be uploading the video very soon. So hope you learned. Drop your comments at the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.